Welcome to the 2026 Bricksys conference. Datech is excited to have you here as we explore new possibilities together. At TD SYNNEX, our mission is simple: to help you unlock your full potential through technology, expertise, and collaboration. TD SYNNEX is one of the world's leading technology distributors, connecting vendors, partners, and customers with the solutions they need to grow. With over 23,000 colleagues, thousands of vendors, and customers in more than 100 countries, we deliver real global scale. In Europe, we're a leading distributor with a strong presence across 24 countries, generating nearly $20 billion in revenue and supporting over 65,000 partners. We offer one of the broadest end-to-end technology portfolios in the market, from cloud and software to devices, components, and design tools. The world's top technology companies rely on our people and our capabilities to bring their products to market every single day. We work with every type of reseller, from small local specialists to large global integrators, covering SMB, retail, corporate, and many more. Our values guide how we work, lead, and show up for each other every day. They're simple, powerful, and at the heart of everything we do. Making it personal isn't a tagline. It's a philosophy. It's how we work with our partners. It's how we lead our teams. Yes, and it's how we deliver impact. Our culture is built around integrity, curiosity, bold thinking, and focusing on what truly matters to create real impact. We help resellers succeed through marketing, sales support, digital distribution, and business intelligence, delivering strong value for leading design software vendors. Our purpose is to provide value-added digital distribution for design, digital twin, and visualization solutions supported by decades of experience and strong data services. Our strategy focuses on transforming digitally, expanding globally, investing in high-growth technologies, and strengthening our end-to-end portfolio. Our value comes from combining customer success, partners, our Datech team, digital distribution, marketing, and data analysis. Behind everything we do is a dedicated global team committed to supporting partners and driving growth. Our leadership spans sales, operations, Europe, APJ, North America, and global strategy, working together to deliver excellence. These are the 5 pillars, or Datech. We bring together tools, expertise, and automation to help partners achieve ongoing customer success. As you can understand, as distributor, our main goal is the success of our customers, you. As better your business is, as better our business will be. We also know your high level of excellence dealing with your customers, and you don't need our help there, but in a growth business like this, we would like to offer you our experience of more than 25 years in design software distribution. Datech combines traditional distributor strengths with advanced digital tools, partner programs, and customer success services. Our Strato program brings together services, automation, enablement, and growth initiatives to help partners sell more faster. As an IT distributor, TD SYNNEX bring to customers a lot of standard added values. On top of that, Datech, as a software design specialized division inside TD SYNNEX, our focus is to offer you specific services that help to improve your business processes, focused on 4 big areas: Automation. We have designed a lot of tools that allow you to minimize the time of ordering process and managing SketchUp business, bringing you more time to be focused on sales. Through Partner Portal, you can access to our zero-touch order process, e-commerce tools, contracts data packs, and others. Services, support to better analyze your customers' information and improve your sales process. Some points that I would like to highlight. Credit services. Datech can offer you credit services that could help you, if necessary, to deal with big deals and customers' payment terms, minimizing purchase stoppers. Datech dashboards. On these dashboards, you can find all your installed base customers' info. You can analyze it by different kind of segments and define an action plan for each one of them. You also can analyze your renewal business opportunity for the coming months and quarters for a better forecasting. Nurture. Nurturing tools in Partner Portal allow you to design communication campaigns for specific customer segments based on the LAER strategy. Tactical. Based on Customer Success Program, we can offer you some help to discover new customer and expand your business in your existing customers. With this tools, you can contact low-profit customers like students or one-seat customers with similar quality that the biggest ones. Enablement. As I said, we perfectly know the great value you are offering to this business. Your daily contact with customers bring you the better knowledge possible to support them. On top of that, we would like to work with you to share our experience and best practices we learned on the last 25 years to grow similar business. The Flare model and the Radar program allow us to have an open conversation with you about where we can help if necessary. So, how can Datech help you with your digital distribution? The answer: automation. Ways to automate with Datech. Software store. EDI, zero touch. Partner portal. Our model integrates customer success, partners, digital tools, marketing, and analytics, working together seamlessly. The portal gives partners the insight and tools they need to support customers and grow their business. The Partner Portal is a centralized portal that allows our partners to access their end-user subscription data, receive data and vendor news and events, understand new opportunities to engage with your customers using the layer model, use the fully automated Nurture platform and be able to send emails through the e-layer, access to recorded webinars, guides, and training materials, access to the lead management system. Datech also acts as an information broker, helping partners understand and engage their end users more effectively. We support the entire customer lifecycle, landing opportunities, driving adoption, expanding usage, and securing renewals. The LAER model brings added value across perpetual, subscription, cloud, and pay-per-use offerings. Our DXP platform offers dashboards, BI, automation, e-commerce, communication tools, and everything needed to manage customers proactively. The platform includes intelligence dashboards, sales enablement, e-commerce, nurture journeys, renew online capabilities, and much more. Automated nurture keeps customers engaged throughout the subscription lifecycle, boosting adoption, retention, and revenue. These capabilities all connect customers, partners, and the Datech team in one integrated digital ecosystem. With our marketing programs, partners can increase ROI by driving leads and growing the Bricksys brand. One of the key programs Datech offer is to support you in ensuring your customers renew their subscriptions. Datech offer a multitude of initiatives that will help you and your customers become more successful and increase your renewal rates. With our marketing programs, partners can increase ROI by driving leads and growing the Bricksys brand. On the last years, Datech has developed some dashboards based on business intelligence that bring our customers an easy way to analyze the data in a really short time. That allow you to take the better decisions to optimize your business, identify opportunities to growth, and enhance customer retention. With our marketing programs, partners can increase ROI by driving leads and growing the Bricksys brand. Partners can view customer profiles, segment audiences, track renewals, and monitor performance trends. Our digital strategy is built on trust, simplicity, and unlocking opportunity for every partner. Together with TD Synex, you can achieve outstanding results with technology. Thank you for joining us.